Hi guys! Gusto mo bang mag-bank loan pero wala kang idea kung paano magsimula o nasa abroad ka at nahihirapan sa process? Don't worry, kami na ang bahala with my bank officer partner. Today, pag-uusapan natin kung paano kami makakatulong na mapadali ang iyong bank loan kahit nasa ibang bansa ka. Sino ang pwedeng mag-apply? OFW? Pwede. Business owner? Pwede. Gusto mag-home loan or condo loan? Pwedeng-pwede. Kaya for as fast as 1 month process pag kumpleto ang requirements. At isa-submit lang ito via email. Ano ang mga requirements para sa OFWs? Certificate of Employment with Compensation, 6 months latest bank statement, company ID, passport, marriage certificate kung kasal. Para sa mga business owner naman na based dito sa Pilipinas, business permit, DTI registration, income tax return or ITR, 6 months latest bank statement, valid ID. Paano kami makakatulong sa iyo? Huwag nang mag-alala. Kami na ang bahalang mag-process with my bank officer partner mula sa umpisa hanggang matapos para smooth ang loan approval mo. Kahit nasa abroad ka, we can help you to process everything is hassle-free. Ready ka na bang ma-approve ang bank loan mo? Message me now and let's start your hassle-free bank loan process. Comment below kung may question ka at huwag kalimutan mag-like, share at subscribe para sa more helpful real estate tips. This is Ed's Realty Guide PH. Thanks for always watching and see you from my next video.